Hello friends, this is a short video to help you to convert a Cartesian coordinate in 3D to vector form. In my upcoming video, I shall deal with problems related to straight lines in 3D, both in Cartesian and vector form. So this conversion will help you to solve questions related to lines in 3D. So let's get started. Now, in order to locate a point in space, we need the three coordinate axes, x-axis, y-axis and the z-axis. So, these three axes are mutually perpendicular to one another. Let me draw them first. Now, here I have drawn the three axes. Right, so this is the origin where the three axes intersect mutually perpendicular to one another. This is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, and we have the z-axis here. So if P is a point in space with coordinates x, y, z in Cartesian form, and we need to convert P in vector form, then I have to consider unit vectors I, j and k along OX, OY and OZ first. Now if I join OP, I will get the position vector of P with respect to the origin O, and let it be vector R. Right, so this is vector R here. So the component of R along the x, y and z axis, that is the positive x, y and z axis, are respectively OA, OB and OC. Right, so they are OA equals to XI, OB equals to YJ, vector OB equals to YJ, and vector OC equals to ZK. Now let me drop a perpendicular from P to the XY plane so that I can identify the distance of P from all the three axes. Now here we have this is the point M, and PM is the perpendicular dropped on the XY plane. So AM will be equal to OB, right, and OB I have written here as YJ. So vector AM will be equal to YJ. Now let me join the diagonal also here, OM. So if I join OM, then what is OM equal to? Then vector OM will be equal to vector OA plus vector AM. Now vector OA I have already written earlier, it is equal to XI. Vector AM equals to vector OB, and OB is equal to YJ. By triangle law of vectors, we have this in triangle OAM. Now for vector R, let us refer to triangle OMP. So vector R means vector OP. So vector OP equals to vector OM plus vector MP. Now MP is equal to OC. If you joined CP, you will find that MP is equal to OC. If you join CP, you will find that vector MP is equal to vector OC, because you can see the parallelogram OMPC is complete now, right? If you look from this side. So here OM means already found out earlier, xi plus yj, and MP means OC, and I had already written earlier OC means zk. So this is equal to xi plus yj plus zk, right? So this is vector r. So you have seen how the Cartesian coordinate x, y, z has been converted to vector form as vector r equals to xi plus yj plus zk. So if we talk of any point in space, suppose point A with coordinates 1, 2, 3, then in vector form the position vector of A, if considered as vector A, suppose, yes, with respect to the origin, then vector A will be 1i plus 2j plus 3k. Here the caps are very necessary on top of the unit vectors I, j, k. So similarly, if I talk of any other point, suppose say B as -5, 2, 3, then, and if you have position vector of B with respect to the origin as vectors B, so this B will be written in vector form as -5i plus 2j plus 3k. Fine. So this much for today. In my next video I shall deal with straight lines in 3D, both in Cartesian and vector form. Thank you. Take care. Good day.